All right, guys, so I want to show you guys how to do a discussion in Schoology. So remember, a discussion is always two parts, right? You're talking, someone else is talking. So the first part is you talking, and that's your response to the question. Okay, so for example, in this one, you're going to do the activity. You're going to do this activity in algebra tiles. This is the very first one you're going to do. Then you're going to give a response. So I'm going to go down here. I find out after going through the problem that my answer is 2x minus 3. Okay, now if you read the prompt here, it says, doesn't just say type your answer, it also says explain with a video response. Okay, so I'm going to be wanting you guys to respond, do your first post always with a video. And here's how you do that. Okay, so you're going to go down here, you're going to click on that little microphone, and on that microphone, after you click it, you click audio and video. Boom, there's your face. So I'm going to hit start record. So the way I got 2x minus 3 is that I took away 4 zero pairs of 1 and removed that to the side. Then I took 2 zero pairs of x and I moved that to the side, and boom, I got 2x minus 3. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to hit stop record and then wait a couple seconds, and then I'll hit insert recording. And once you do that, you'll see video recording down here. Click post, boom, you're done. Now, initially, what you're going to see is this little code down here. Don't worry about that. That's actually going to turn into a little thumbnail that you'll be able to click on later. It just takes a minute or two. So I waited a little bit. Boom, there's my little thumbnail. If I click on that, I can watch it. That way, when you're looking at other people's posts, because the second part you need to do is respond or reply. Do you agree or disagree, and why? So I'll go down here, I'll reply, and you can just type out your answers when you reply. You don't have to do a video for everything. If you prefer to do a video, totally fine. But I want you to do your first post always as a video, okay? And just so you know, the rubric is always posted in the discussion, so you know exactly how many points you're going to get for every question. Most of your discussions are going to be pretty simple like this, but then sometimes you'll have more involved, elaborate discussions where I'm going to ask you to go a little further, and then it'll be laid out exactly what's required of you in that rubric. So you'll see here it says respond to teacher. You get 6 points for responding to teacher with a video, 3 points if you just respond and it's not even right, obviously 0 if you don't do anything. And then the second part is responding to a student or your peers or your classmates, and just make sure you respond. Okay, that's it.